MEXC just dropped a $1 million giveaway and zero fees, insane staking APR, and giveaways like iPhones. Let's talk. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Meet MEXC. MEXC is a global crypto exchange known for making trading easy and rewarding. Unlike most exchanges, MEXC offers zero trading fees, zero withdrawal fees, and regular campaigns like this one, the Solana Eco Month, with $1 million in rewards. From staking and airdrops to trading competitions and giveaways, MEXC puts value back into your hands. And the best part? There is no complicated signups or hidden requirements. Just start trading or staking and earn now. From July 21st until August 20th, MEXC runs the Solana Eco Month with $1 million in rewards. Basically, this is for Solana traders. It includes spot and futures competitions, staking, and giveaways. And you don't have signups barriers or anything that will limit you on creating the account or trading on the account. You just jump in and start earning today. With this campaign, you can get paid by staking or trading SOL. New users, they can stake SOL and earn up to 400% of APR. In addition to that, you can even stake on-chain to earn a 13% APY, which is 80% from the staking and 5% from the MX SOL rewards. A third way that you can get paid with this campaign this month is that you can trade SOL to win and share a pool of 650 sols and $100,000 in futures rewards. And as you can see also in their Twitter account, you can do all that with zero fees across the Solana ecosystem. Just click the link down in the description and read everything about the Solana Eco Month campaign and how you can easily participate in it. What means zero fees across the Solana ecosystem? Zero fees on SOL spot, SOL future pairs like ME, MEW, BONG, PUMP, and more. And in addition to that, you have no withdrawal fees this month on Solana. You have high APR staking and also lucky draws. For this month only, you have the Solana Spin Fest, where every time they draw a lucky winner to win massive bonuses and giveaways. In the lucky draw, you can win iPhone 16, Solanas, USDTs, and more. And also with the Solana Spin Fest, you can share a pool of $100,000. And if you're part of the A+ program, you have exclusive sub-events and ecosystem perks. So if you want to learn more about the Solana Eco Month, just click the link down in the description and join it today. That's all for now. Thank you so much for staying until the end. So to sum up, if you want to join the Solana Eco Month and participate in $1 million in rewards, join the Solana Spin Fest to claim part of the $100,000 pool, and maybe you're one of the winners for the lucky draws, then just click the link down in the description and join it today. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our next videos. And if you have any questions, comment them below and we will answer them for you promptly. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.